Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're going to be installing headlights on a 2006 to 2008 Dodge Ram. For today's installation, we'll be using masking tape, a ratchet with extension, 10mm socket, a small pry bar or panel popper, T-tap connectors, wire stripper, crimper, small channel locks or pliers, and a multimeter. So now let's get started. First step, using your masking tape, apply to areas that you want to reduce any damages. After popping open the hood, you can start next process by removing these two 10mm bolts. Next step, we're going to remove this rubber grommet behind the wheel well to access the 10mm nut that secures the headlight to the frame. Next, using your ratchet and 10mm socket, we're going to remove this nut. It's holding the headlight. Next, using your pry tool, you're going to unseat the headlight by giving it a little bit of a forward motion. Next, we're going to remove the turn signal and parking socket entirely. We're going to be reusing that light. And then we're going to remove the socket or plug for the headlight by pulling up on the red tab here. And then pressing this tab in and sliding out. Next, we're going to remove another parking light down here. You can remove this altogether to make it easier. Then pull the red tab up, squeeze this tab, and remove this. We won't be using this again. Next step, you're going to take your parking and turn signal socket, lock that in place. Another parking light. Install that there. Your headlight connector. And the T-tap connectors for your parking lights. The T-tap connectors for your parking light. Then you're going to seat your headlight. And you can start reinstalling your hardware with the first two 10mm bolts. Next, using your 10mm ratchet, we're going to re-secure this 10mm nut. And then we're going to replace the rubber grommet. Repeat the process on the other side. This headlight also requires T-tap. For further information on how to T-tap, refer to the link below. Now that the installation is complete, let's test the functions of our new headlights.